Once upon a time, there was a girl and a dog going for a boat ride. They met a beaver. Can I go too? He said, no, it's a one-dog canoe. But he jumped in anyway. Then a little violet flew by. Can I come too? No, it's a one beaver, one-dog canoe. But she flew in on her lap anyway. Then they met a wolf. Can I come too? He said, no, it's one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. He went in anyway. Then they met a bear. Can I come too? She said, no, it's one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. He jumped in anyway. Then they met a moose. Can I go too? She said no. It's one bear, one wolf, one loon, one dog canoe. But they flew in, but he jumped in anyway. Then a frog came. Can I come too? And she said no. It's one moose, one bear, one wolf, one loon, one dog canoe. He jumped in anyway.